Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need the camera ready, battery above half, and a formatted micro SD card because Zoom uses live processing and storage. Power on, swipe into Preferences, then navigate into Video Settings. This is where Zoom controls live so you can enable them. Once enabled, return to the main view. Make sure you've chosen the correct video mode and resolution because Zoom availability depends on resolution. If you're set to 3K or Super View, the zoom option may be limited. Switch to 4K or 7K for broader control. You can pinch on the touchscreen for a continuous zoom feel. This is digital, so it crops the sensor and changes framing. Alternatively, press the upper right button for stepped zoom increments if you need repeatable stops. As you zoom, make sure to watch exposure and focus. Zooming crops pixels and can make footage darker or softer. If brightness or focus shifts, tap the screen to relock focus and adjust exposure compensation. Once done, preview a short clip to confirm image quality before important shots. Begin recording at your chosen zoom level and stabilize with a gimbal or your hands tucked in to reduce jitter. Digital zoom magnifies motion, so steadiness matters. Enable Hyper Smooth to counteract shake if you'll be moving, and keep an eye on framing as you shift focal length. If zoom becomes unresponsive, power cycle the camera and confirm zoom is still enabled in video settings. If problems persist, reset video settings to defaults. One key troubleshooting tip: test zoom in a short clip after.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.